To make money on TikTok in 2023, you can explore the following strategies. 1. Creator Fund. If you meet TikTok's eligibility criteria, you can apply for the Creator Fund. This program allows you to earn money based on the number of views your videos receive. 2. Brand Partnerships. As your TikTok account grows, you may have opportunities to collaborate with brands for sponsored content. Brands may approach you to promote their products or services in your videos in exchange for payment. 3. Live Streaming. TikTok offers a feature called Live Streaming, where viewers can send virtual gifts to their favorite creators. You can convert these gifts into real money. This feature becomes available to creators once they meet the eligibility requirements. 4. Merchandise Sales. Utilize TikTok's partnership with Teespring or other e-commerce platforms to sell branded merchandise to your followers. You can create and market products like t-shirts, hoodies, or accessories with your unique designs or catchphrases. 5. Affiliate Marketing. Consider partnering with brands or signing up for affiliate programs to promote products or services in your videos. Whenever your followers make a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Remember, building a strong presence on TikTok takes consistent effort, quality content, and engagement with your audience. Stay creative, authentic, and connected with your followers to increase your chances of monetizing your TikTok account.